In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a map chart in Google Sheets. Want to see exactly where your customers or viewers are coming from? You can turn a simple list of countries into a professional heat map in seconds, and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, make sure your data is clean and well organized. In your sheet, you'll want one column that contains location names, countries or states, and a second column with the numbers you want to visualize, like sales, views, or signups. Keep your headers clear, such as country and total, so Google Sheets knows what each column represents. Check that your location names are spelled correctly and consistently. Avoid extra spaces, stray punctuation, or mixed formats, like some rows using full country names and others using abbreviations. Also, make sure your values are actual numbers, not text. If they're left aligned, they might be stored as text. Converting them to numbers will help the chart interpret them correctly. When you're ready, click and drag to highlight your entire table, including the headers. Now, go to the Insert menu and choose Chart. If a bar graph or something else pops up by default, don't worry. On the right side, you should see the chart editor. If it doesn't appear, click the chart once to reveal it. In the Setup tab, find Chart Type, click the drop-down, and scroll until you see GeoChart. Select it, and Sheets will map your data onto a world map automatically. If your data is for states within a single country, you may need to set the region appropriately in the customization options so the map zooms in on the right area. To make your map really stand out, switch to the Customize tab in the Chart Editor and click Geo. Here, you can fine-tune the look and feel. Adjust the color scale so higher values pop with a bold shade, while lower values stay lighter. Choose colors with good contrast to keep the map readable for everyone. You can also tweak the region focus and the display mode if needed, and enable tooltips so viewers can hover and see exact values. Take a moment to scan your map for any gray or unfilled areas. Those usually indicate a location name that wasn't recognized. Fixing the spelling in your sheet will update the map instantly. That's it, instant data visualization. You now have a clean, professional heat map that tells a clear story at a glance. If you found this helpful, hit that follow button for more Google Sheets tips.